So I'm gonna get straight into the video, guys. What's what is Higgsfield? It's an all-in-one generative AI platform or workspace. It combines multiple top-tier video and image models into a single dashboard. It allows users to create cinematic video and character animations and visual effects. And it's pretty cool. You can literally create images, videos with it. You can connect it to Cloud Code via MCP. You go to MCP right here. You copy the link right here, and then you go to your right here, and then you add custom connector, and then you copy the link right here and you paste it. Make sure you put Higgsfield, and then you copy the link here, paste it, and then boom, you set. Here's what you do. You go to Amazon, find a popular product like this one right here. You copy the link, you go to Cloud Code, you tell it to generate you an organic UGC ad with this product, and it's gonna do that for you right here. And then this is the final product that made me. Looks very good. So here's the final video that generated it for me. Here's the prompt that I used. And you guys can be creative, and there's a lot of ideas you can do with this. You can make faceless YouTube content. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and leave a like. Thank you guys. See you next time.